I think once you get more like deeper in here, that's what I'm saying.
And I don't want to record. Edit it. And I don't want to edit that much.
Oh shit. Okay. What's up, y'all? It's me, Dai, aka Daikon, aka Daniel. And today, I'm currently at an event right now for my job. You know, it's a peace jam, as you read the title. And right now, I'm feeling right. Feeling a little tired, a little exhausted. Got like 3 hours of sleep last night. But that's so weird. That's actually so weird. This dude back there. I'm feeling pretty confident about this. Yeah. That is a whole YouTube group. So here we got the crew here. We got Trey.
Man, we here, man.
We got Trey here. Yep. Got Xavier. We got Nas. You know, he's copying me, but hey, I respect it. So Mr. Stovall.
What's up, brother?
And we have DeAndre and Mr. Calloway over there giving him a lecture, something. What's up, man? You don't mind being in the video?
Yeah, I don't mind.
All right. It's a nice orange you got there. Is it good? Is it good orange? Wait, they have oranges or something?
Huh? Yeah, way down there in the cafeteria.
Oh, let me go get some. We got Kennedy and Mimi over here. No, y'all ready for today? Well, shoot. We got it. I mean, we practice. Yeah, we got it. We got it. But just don't go too aggressive, all right? Just don't go too, because last time. But it's all good. It's all good. But nah, though, I'm about to get me some food. I haven't eaten nothing yet. Orange is at first of all. Hey, am I able to get an orange? I can get an orange.
Right here, baby.
Oh, right there? Okay.
We got you set up.
All right, thank you.
Kept you set up.
They have a Nutri-Grain bar. I want to take this and take an orange. I don't have a water, so this is my breakfast, y'all. So, question of the day.
Yep.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
Pop-Tart.
Pop-Tart, what flavor?
Confetti cupcake is always, bro. You know me.
The breakfast waffle, and mostly the breakfast waffle was cheese, egg, and then bacon.
What about you, Trey? What you eat?
What I eat for breakfast?
Yeah.
Absolutely nothing. I'm starving.
Just starving?
I definitely should have ate something. If I eat an orange right now, it's just gonna make me more hungry.
What did I eat for breakfast?
Yes, sir.
I have not eaten breakfast this morning. So what I'm going to end up having to do is I'm going to have to give me some more.
What's the question of the day?
What you eat for breakfast?
Nothing.
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 Ain't eat nothing for breakfast?
I probably had I made my kids some waffles, and I had to hurry up and get over here with my son, so I ain't eat nothing. I'm hungry right now.
What did you eat for breakfast?
Absolutely nothing.
Oof. Everybody not eating today. What did you eat today?
I haven't eaten anything today.
I ate nothing.
I usually fast in the morning. Practice intermittent fasting because this gives the body time to heal. Gives the gut time to rest and rejuvenate. So,
Right. It also
I had water,
increases focus, though.
yeah, increases focus. I had
Right.
water and I had lemon juice. But that's other than that.
Okay. All right, y'all. So we got ourselves a nice chicken biscuit. Angeline's mom came in, saved our lives. DeAndre, you sure you don't want a chicken biscuit? Positive.
Would you eat it for later?
What?
Would you just have it for later?
Yeah, might as well get it now.
Let's just say, like, if I end up eating that later, I'm gonna end up wanting it for the rest of the day. I'm gonna end up wanting it for the rest of the day. Now,
Man, go ahead and get that chicken biscuit.
Go get the chicken biscuit. Go get the chicken. Yeah, you might as well get the chicken. Yeah, you gotta get the chicken biscuit.
couldn't help it.
Because we're gonna be working
I know.
a lot. So I advise you get a chicken biscuit. I think you should get a chicken biscuit. You sure about you don't want to get a chicken biscuit? Everybody grows, man. I think you should get a chicken biscuit. It's a few hundred calories, won't hurt. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
So this dude DeAndre, why you gotta be so so indecisive about getting the chicken biscuit? What's wrong with getting the chicken biscuit? Mini food review, let's get it. So today we got a nice little chicken biscuit from Chick-fil-A, of course. You know, surprisingly, we got it the day before Sunday. So this is what the chicken biscuit looks like, as you can see inside of it. You know what I'm saying? Don't look too bad, you know, not too bad. But we're not gonna taste it just yet because it has no flavor.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get buttermilk ranch right here. Open it up. Man, that's regular. Oh, we can't eat in here?
No, but I mean, we here now. We here now.
I didn't know we can't.
Yeah.
And here, guys, we have a nice little chicken sandwich. We're gonna take one bite.
What they hitting on?
Oh yeah. Solid.
Solid?
Solid 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. 8 out of 10.
The flavor is nice. The ranch mixes well with the chicken, the biscuit. The biscuit itself is not dry. It's easy to chew. It's not like Popeyes, okay? And I can eat the biscuit and the chicken with the buttermilk ranch with no drink. So solid 8 out of 10.
Would you like pickles on it or something?
Oh yeah. Pickles.
Okay.
I don't know about cheese.
Yeah, cheese will kind of kill it.
Yeah, it won't mix well. But hey, I appreciate you recording for me for a second.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
So are we gonna have enough people to play the game?
I don't know. But hopefully we make it work. I gotta put on my thinking cap.
Okay.
Hopefully we can make it work.
Since it is the voting system, the scoring system too. Oh man, okay.
How you feel about the game?
Overall?
Yeah, overall.
Well, let's see. I feel pretty good about it. It's a nice, interesting concept where, you know, eventually you get to place your own pieces on the board and stuff, you know. What would be even cooler if it was 3D pieces, you know, like in actual in real life scaling, you know, that would be really cool.
Yeah, that'd be dope.
Yeah, but overall, it's a pretty decent game. It's just, whatchamacallit, it has to be just interesting people that has to be in the game to make it fun.
Also, y'all get paid today too. Professor Lim is gonna be breaking y'all's check.
Oh, he's coming.
Oh, another.
Yeah. So he's coming, and Virginia Tech students are coming.
Oh, really?
So they should be here around like 10:30.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I know it's early, but y'all can do better than that. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
That's what I thought. All right. Before I get started with everything, I just want to thank everybody for coming out. I know it's early. I would like to thank the city of Roanoke. I also have a couple of questions because I got some giveaways. Y'all like giveaways?
Oh yeah.
Y'all don't sound like it. Y'all like giveaways?
Oh yeah.
We're going to try and do some icebreakers, that way we can all get to know each other. The first thing I'm going to have to ask you all to do is try and fill in these first 3 rows. That way we're all kind of next to each other and clustered. So if you're on these first 3 rows, come on, I want you to give them your name and your favorite color. And I need you to remember those 2 facts about both of the people next to you. All right? I'll give you all a second to do that.
All right.
Who are you, random person?
Who are you supposed to be?
My name is Trey. You know, I've never seen you before in my life.
Right.
My favorite colors are obviously red. As you can see, I have on a lot of red.
I like the outfit. I like the fit. I like the fit.
Alright, so
How do you have the camera up so close? I ain't gonna ask. Okay.
I'm a random person. What's your name?
My name is Jeremy. My favorite color is red as well. Mrs. Zohar.
My color is green.
So green. Mine's is red.
Okay.
You all have that information now in the quiz you left. So I'm going to say a color, and if one of the people next to you said that that was their favorite color, either one, stand up when I say the color, all right? Anybody have a partner that say their favorite color was yellow? Green? Did anybody have a partner that said their favorite color was green? Purple? That's my favorite color. Anybody choose black? Choose that?
Hey y'all, how you doing? Yeah, good. Good morning. Good morning. Alright guys, so we just finished facilitating the first part of the game. About to go out here and get some food. We have a banana here, sour cream and onion ruffles, got a hot dog, cheeseburger, cookies, and we got a big old salad. But yeah, I'm gonna go get eating, and I'll catch y'all in the meantime. All right, guys, so we're here on another side quest. About to do some police training. We have Xavier. We got a man's here. Hola, bonjour, ¿cómo ça va? God.
You got time for one more.
One more?
You want to go? You want me to go?
I'll go.
Let him go. What's your finish? I want to see you in action.
45 seconds, baby.
I thought you were supposed to drag him.
However we can get it down there.
And she
Man, I want to see
like
him
Thor.
go, bro. Where you want to go? You want me to go?
The kids want to go?
Yeah. You want to kids? Yeah.
No, come on, Daniel. Come on, Daniel.
45. You got to be 45.
Gotta be 45 seconds.
Daniel, if you see somebody in your way, just truck them, all right? Anybody in your way, just truck them, all right?
You got to be
45 seconds.
For the hope. For the hope.
40. You representing right now,
You
man.
representing right now, Jay.
That little sandbag, that ain't nothing.
You representing right
Come
now.
on.
You are representing.
I need 30 seconds. He out of there. He out of there. Look at the speed. That ain't nothing. That ain't nothing.
Should I be a policeman then?
I think you bro. That just told you got 35. Everybody got 40, bro. You beat her, wherever she's at, and then you beat Nas. So what I'm hearing is you need to, you know what I'm saying, enlist in that, that office, man.
In other words, you're the GOAT.
You go.
Do I need to enlist? I feel like I could do it faster if I had the right shoes.
Cause you are you're not in a real athletic fit, you know what I mean? Like I saw you running, I'm like, yo, he about to run into somebody.
We back, bro.
We're back.
I gotta take over your vlog because I finished mine.
All right, bro.
Alright, so we just finished with, I just finished facilitating along with all my other colleagues and stuff. We just got done designing the parks, and there's 3 different ones, which I didn't record him.
Oh.
It's his channel.
But still, though, featuring Nas Wade, bro. You can sponsor him in your channel and vice versa.
Y'all missed Daniel dancing though. Y'all missed him during the mic. Hey,
And they tried to encourage me doing that. I was not putting myself out there for that, bro.
Come to my channel. Y'all gonna see him dance. Y'all gonna
Man, nobody don't want to see y'all dance, bro. Y'all need to come to my channel, bro. It don't exist. Yeah, she never got interviewed.
I got you.
Yeah, she never got interviewed.
I was tired. It was nice.
It's just black people, bro. Black people. Just black.
I do got.
We derailing this because what are you saying? Get back to focus.
So yeah, we're about to wrap things up here.
Yeah, me my head in that auditorium. Please don't tell me that.
We all finished, right?
But yeah.
I do gotta get a post interview out of all y'all.
Man, me. One of them over there.
How do you feel?
These two right here.
How do you feel?
About what?
You don't got to.
How do you feel about today? Like that? I feel like we just.
I said, why are you?
I feel like we just I felt very intimidated about this. They said it's gonna be like 50 people. We only had 2 people show up to our workshop, so I feel like we didn't get the vibe we wanted. I feel like if we had youth, you know what I mean? Like we would have got like a good insight because we're trying to work towards youth. We're trying to make this a park where generations can continue to come. You know what I mean? But like older people, they want the same old thing, like a garden. Like yes, we have to consider them, but not necessarily only. You know what I'm saying?
But you gotta remember though, we were playing as music artists. That is true. But I see what you're saying with the energy. They're much older.
But one of my people at my table, they was like, we need to play this with only adults. No shade to you. So that's why I'm saying what I'm saying. Because she feels like this game should only be for adults. There's no age to this, right? That's what I'm saying. I feel like
a 1-year-old cannot play this.
okay, like duh, but I'm saying like there's no age.
I'll take the 10-year-old in front of me.
Bye. Wait.
Yeah, I'm gonna how do you feel?
Today I'm feeling real good. I was struggling a bit yesterday. I have a lot of insecurities, but other than that, pretty good.
That's good.
I'm the type of person like I try to pick as many people up as I can, but every once in a while I need somebody to pick me up too.
Right. Let's see what they're talking about. What are y'all?
I'm watching my old YouTube channel. That's where I started.
This is middle school.
See, you got a plan for this. I took their glasses. They call me Cat Man. I'm here to save that pussy. Now let me do my outfit. Yes. That was underwhelming.
Yeah.
You and Najee for that.